to be democratic through simultaneous election. This is the background of problem. The background of problem is there will be simultaneous election that on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. 5 ballot papers contain the President, parties, House of Representatives, People's Consultative Assembly, and Vice President. Voting organization group passed away because it was too tired, and voting organization group was tasked with counting all 5 ballot papers, and voting organization group is sick because it is too tired, and usually voting organization can count ballot paper in 1 or 2 days, and voting organization group is to count ballot paper which is blocked. So the 2024 election is almost the same as at the beginning of independence, which followed to parliamentary or liberal democracy, because it gives every citizen the freedom to choose the president, vice president, and members of the legislative, so that people often mocking and elbow each other between parties and their own members. This is the insert question. The first question is how to carry out simultaneous elections that are overflowing and fair. The second question is what democracy is appropriate to implement in the 2029 elections. This is research purposes. The first is to know how to carry out simultaneous elections that are overflowing and fair. The second is to know appropriate democracy to implement in the 2029 election. This is research methodology, and there is, and the first is research techniques. This research uses literature study to find data on literature studies and refer to research journals. And this research is qualitative research. And the second is place and time of research. Place and time of research is this research was conducted in MD Muslimat and Puchang Sidoarjo. The research time is carried out in the evening semester, precisely in March 15, 2024 until 5, 2024. This is the first discussion. To discuss this problem, we try to collect the following data. Any legislative member doesn't care with selection candidate if many of legislative member do corruption. Candidate of legislative member choose by left of political parties to the prioritizing the left of legislative member. To carry out selection election with overflowing 5 candidates of legislative member must be selected first until the legislative member be quality and knowledgeable, so Indonesia state become more developed. This is the second discussion. The appropriate democracy is Pancasila democracy because it is democracy Pancasila is democracy based on Pancasila. stems from the fourth principle, so that decisions are taken by the people. Through wisdom, deliberation with common sense and conscience. And the next is conclusion. Carrying out simultaneous election in a lawful, free and fair manner means that legislative candidates must be selected. That the list of legislative candidates is only qualified, and there are also few legislative candidates on the ballot, and the result is that it doesn't make things difficult for other people and is easy to choose. And this is the suggestion based on the result of this research. Researchers try to provide suggestions for government with election implementation, laws that are friendly to seniors. Consider returning to Pancasila democracy by limiting the term of office of the president. Then the implementation of democracy that avoid division between nations. Return the country to having an outline of state governance or government for sustainable. The last is bibliography. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You still forget, but you have explained about this thing. Very nice. Do you want to be a president or legislative candidate? What is your goal in your future? What do you want to be? President? No. YouTuber. You want to be a YouTuber? Yeah. Why? We should study about general election, about democracy in our year.
Because there is knowledge for future.
Because there's
There is knowledge.
knowledge for your future. Okay, good. One question from your mother, sister.
Repek dulu ini, Mister. Why for my son, my last son, Mister. Why legislative candidate must be selected?
Because if legislative candidates are selected, the legislative candidates will be qualified.
Qualified. Ada? Give applause to Hasan.